Hey guys, I'm here with a Young electric bike rack. This is for 2 e-bikes. It'll accommodate any bike, but up to about 100 pounds of bike, because this rack can do 200 pounds. The importance of having this bike rack for us is huge. Sometimes getting it in the back of the vehicle is really tough. So I got to take the front tires off of both of the bikes. I got to cram them in there, and it's prevented us from going on bike rides. So this bike rack is going to be amazing. One of the main features that we really love is how easy it's going to be. Nice strong trailer receiver here. That's going to take this gentleman right here. It's going to sit inside of there. So I'm going to put this one on the very front here. This one is going to go in here. Super simple, easy to put together. You're just going to have a couple of bolts, 2 bolts on each. So 4 bolts gets it completely secure. And then I've already gone ahead and I put these guys on right here. This is going to be your tire stops. But I really like that they give you all of the hardware. They give you this pin. I love that they give you the locking pin with this guy, which is going to help with off-roading. It's going to keep this thing from swaying, so that way you don't get your bikes bouncing back and forth. I went ahead and I did get the light kit. I'm going to finish installing that here in a little bit, but I did put those on. Let's go ahead and we're going to take off our ramp. Our ramp always travels with us. We'll go ahead and take this really nice looking ramp here by Young Electric. I really like it. And then we're going to pull the pin, get this guy out, bring it down nice and easy. Oh, that is really beautiful. Let's go ahead and load up a bike. This is exciting. So very easy to do. I'm going to load the bike up on this side. So this rail right here, I'm going to go ahead and bring all the way down. This other rail and bring up. All right, so we're just going to take our ramp. Goes right into place, secures nicely. Take our bike. Into place. Alright guys, the ride over here was really smooth. The bike rack performed very well over speed bumps and around turns. I didn't feel these bikes behind me at all. Alright, let's go ahead and get this bike off. So put the side down that you want to take the bike off on. Go ahead and take your ramp out. Right there. Wow, that's so easy and nice and convenient. Really glad to have this ramp, guys. All right, let's go ahead and just load this guy back up. Need to practice the back up. It's that easy. Yeah, so this guy is awesome. It rides really nice going around turns. I don't feel the bikes back here whatsoever. I am in love with this rack so far. It's great. Really glad to have this ramp, guys. If you want to pick one of these up, click on the link below. Young Electric produced a nice product with this one. Check it out.